subscribe and click the bell icon. Connect you to the world.
Hi guys, today we are going to make butter cake. Here's the ingredient with perfect measurement. Take a bowl and add 110 grams of unsalted butter. Now beat this well. Add 80 grams of sugar and again beat this well. Take 2 whole eggs, crack and mix well. Add small portion of mixed egg and beat again. Repeat the process of 3 portions and beat it well. Do proper scraping in between each mix to get proper, even, smooth and soft cake. Also portion mix gives proper puffed cake. Add 100 grams of cake flour and 40 grams of almond meal. Do same process. Divide 3 equal portion and mix well. Add 1 gram of salt. Add 80 ml of fresh milk in 3 portions. Now mix this well. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Yes, our cake batter is ready now. Let's take our cake mold and brush our melted butter all over inside. Fill the mold with the perfect cake batter. Tap the mold to spread the batter evenly. Bake the cake batter at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. After 10 minutes, cut an incision on the cake like this. Yes, continue to bake. Wow, the cake smells amazing. Transfer this to the cutting board and cut the cake. That feels so soft. All those almond and butter mixed together smells great. Let's peel the cake and show the softness. That was delicious butter cake. Happy baking. Until next time. Danke. Tschüss.